Hi everyone, my name is Bulat, and today's video I'm going to show you some basic elements of boxing. But first of all, I must warn you that I cannot teach you boxing by one short video. So I'm going to show you how to make a proper boxing stand, how to land punches properly, and how to block opponent's punches. So let's get ready to box. Alright guys, first thing I want to teach you is the boxing stand. A proper boxing stand makes you more stable and less likely to be knocked down. Okay, first of all, you need to extend the distance between your feet. 1.5 meters, just fine. Not too wide, not too narrow. Just like that. And bend your knee slightly, so they would be like springs, you know. So they would be like springs. Squat your back, just like that, and also keep your hands up always. Right hand always must be close to your jaw, and left hand always must be in front of you, just like that. And stay your face down, just like that, little bit, just like that. So not to get punches right in the jaw. Just close your jaw by front shoulder, just like that. So your opponent couldn't punch you right in the jaw, just like that. And most importantly, move center of your body slightly on the back feet, so you can make a right proportion, like 25% on the front foot and 75% on the back foot, just like that. Okay, so this is not everything what you need to know about boxing stand, but it's quite enough for a beginner. Cool, let's go next. Now I'm going to show you how to land jab and cross. Okay, to throw jab. First of all, you need to relax your hands. Your hands shouldn't be intense. They need to be relaxed to make punch faster and stronger. Okay, now look at how to jab. When you jab, firstly you need to lift your elbow, just like that. Then when you lifted your elbow, you need to straighten your arm, just like that. And then when you straighten your arm, you need to harden your fist. You need to harden your part of your body from here to here, from your fist to your breast, just like that. You relax it, and just like that. Once you are done with the jab, look how I cross. It's almost the same with jab, but when you cross, you need to move your hips and shoulders just like that. Look at my shoulders and look at my hips, just like that. Why I do that? It gives more kinetic power to your punch, just like that. Just repeat after me. Jab, jab, cross. Jab, jab, cross. Jab, jab, cross. Like jab, jab, cross. Sleep. Okay, I moved to another place because of raining, and I don't want to get wet. So let's move on next. And I hope all of you doing fine. Cool. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to block opponent's punches. You can pair opponent's punches by your left hand, by your just front hand, just your front hand. How you pair opponent's punches? Do movements just like that. These movements. I don't have a person to show on, but just like that. By your front hand. Also, you can to block opponent's punches by your right hand, just like that, just like that. You do a little bit like slip, just like that. And also, like, if you want, you can put your right hand like just like that, not to get in the, not to get punched in the face, just like that. Okay. Now I'm going to show you slips and rolls. This is how you do slips. This is left slip, just left slip, right slip, left slip, right slip, and also rolls are good. Also, like that, like that.
На самом деле, как ты не распределишься. Ох, блядь, сука, блядь.
Alright, guys. In conclusion, I want to say boxing is the art of perfect movements. It's not a brutal fight between two men, it's intelligence. The smart boxer is more likely to win the fight. And what I showed today is not 10% of boxing, it's even less than 1% of boxing school, which I showed today. And the more you study about boxing, the more you understand that boxing is much more complicated sport. And okay, so it's time to say thank you for watching the video, and stay hard. So you can make a right proportion, like 25% of your